What's up, YouTube? Back with another shoe review, and today we have some Jordan 9s that I'm going to be reviewing. I have the Bred 9s that came out in 2018, I think, and then the Particle Gray, red and black ones that came out in 2022. But yeah, let's just get right into it. Check the condition as always and just see what they're talking about. Pay $140 for these because I have a small foot. I played basketball in them back when I had them, but yep, those are the Breds. Let's see, these should be fairly good. I know I've worn these quite a bit though. Yeah, I definitely have worn these quite a bit of time. As you can see, there's the bottom of these. It's the right pair. Still clean though, still in good condition, just the bottom obviously. Left pair, same. Let me get the other pair out. The side by side comparison. Little shadow is right there. I think, which one is your favorite? I'm gonna go obviously Bred. I already said it, but these are, can't go wrong with these either. You know, the cool gray ones just came out. I don't know what I was doing, but I was flying and I missed the release. Anyways, I'm not really too big on those, so I'm fine with these. But let me know what y'all think about these two cups.